At Airplane Manager, we've always been at the forefront of aviation technology, providing top-notch aircraft scheduling software to flight departments worldwide. Today, we're excited to announce our latest partnership. ONeCALL Flight Dispatch brings the trusted expertise of in-flight crew connections to help flight departments with their flight dispatch and scheduling needs. In-flight crew connections specializes in meeting your contract staffing needs effectively. Now with ONeCALL, you can contract flight schedulers and dispatchers trained on Airplane Manager software to handle your flights, documents, and more.
Our licensed dispatchers are available 24/7, 365 days a year, ensuring your flight operations are always in capable hands. We recognized an opportunity was available to provide flight departments with administrative and trip planning support. The potential savings for these clients who don't need full-time staff or costly software can't be understated. Realizing Airplane Manager's compatibility with these companies, we've tailored our services to offer a solution that best aligns with our shared customers' needs. We'll be offering those services with hourly, monthly, or annual administrative options with the flexibility designed to save your department significant time and resources. In addition to these administrative services, we can offer trip planning services for a separate price.
This partnership between ONeCALL and Airplane Manager doesn't just streamline your operations. You can also receive discounted rates for contracting additional crew through in-flight. So look forward to those big savings heading your way. Join the many flight departments benefiting from ONeCALL's customized dispatch solutions. Let us demonstrate how we can elevate your operations while optimizing costs. Together, ONeCALL Flight Dispatch and Airplane Manager are helping flight departments redefine aviation management. Reach out to us today to explore your possibilities.